This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Hadian barna kalyang Jubor pulet kilawan banyalam ya kisau ngot kibaran kiti ban penyap ya Raja Raghuvanshi bakentop ya kurim jong u kasonam u Vishal Singh Chauhan u Akash Rajput baru Anand kurmi ban kedau ya kijaka hakabakila shem ya kajing im jong u har parking lot riat ar liang hajan gakshat wei saudang hakakat nyor tre ujul leo araja arpusan uba Vivek's im SP ke East Khasiels district ula pentip ba kabala kta bha ya Raja na kajing syamat kadai hakasin ke beningkong ha Vishal Singh Chauhan ubala tip kum u Vicky. Haba pentip ya kania sekilat pathai kubor uba Vivek's im ula ong bo Vishal ula bat baro ar liang kti ya kawat ban mat ya Raja kabala kta bha u bat nang ta wan pat sau Akash Rajput. USP ula penpau bo Anand kurmi udon kajing Artatien hakapor bo mat ya Raja. Nalor kata ula ongru ba kumbala lap menta kadau ba kini kibrio ki shimno e kajing imu Raja kadai namar ka love triangle bat ben rapan ba kajing toket kanam kot tanghang ni rei ban wat chu yo lesi kidang dan kiwei pat kidau.
As per the postmortem report, there were two wounds on the head. So the third one which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, postmortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the two head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit because it used, I think, two hands it used for that hit. So that was the lethal hit. Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the three of them. Two of them held from the hands and one person held from the legs, and he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terraced. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down. The postmortem says he died because of the sharp weapon. Yes. See, out here is actually finding out its motive. Though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that there's a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. That the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle, and we will explore further.
Artatien, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.